Okay, Chapter 8, Digital Extension Services. What is Digital Extension Services? Extension Services, ES, is a system or service which provides people or a community having access to beneficial service or facility, which under normal circumstances, they would not have been able to avail themselves of the service. Okay. Digital extension service, electronically delivery of extension service that provide more efficient alternative to a traditional extension service in information agency. Maximizing the use of information communication technology, form an electronic and interactive bridge that connects information agency and user, thus increasing the productivity, usage, and comply with the last law of library science. That is the library is a growing organism. So library adalah satu organism yang membesar atau bertumbuh, bercambah. Okay, component of digital extension service, there are three components. There is e-learning, e-advisory, and e-services. E-learning, online, offline, or blended. That is to assist in learning and teaching. So we have e-advisory. Under e-advisory, we have e-reference, online real-time consultation, and also email. This is to provide digital reference, for example, material and platform. Consultation service via social media apps. And we have e-services, database, online customer service, reservation, and etc. Okay, social media. These are digital network that used to share and discuss user-generated information, opinion, video, audio, and multimedia. We have social media, a web-based tool of electronic communication that allow users to personally interact with others individually or in a group for the purpose of exchanging information, sharing thoughts and opinion, influencing and facilitating decision-making by creating, storing, retrieving, and exchanging information in any form, text, picture, video, etc. by anyone in the virtual world. Social media is basically digital technology facilitating communication of user-generated content through constant interaction. This is by Terry, 2009, Kaplan, and Heinlein. So there are three components of social media. There is content, ICT, and also community. So without either of these components, social media is not complete. Okay. Digital extension service tool, social networking site and application, for example, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. We have video and photo sharing, website, Flickr, YouTube, Pinterest. We have blog and microblog, Twitter, Tumblr, and Blogspot. We have forum discussion board and groups, for example, Google and Yahoo Group. Video on demand and podcast, video conference and web conference, Hangout, Meets, or Zooms. We have email and instant messaging, Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, Lotus Mail, etc. Socially integrated mobile text messaging. We have WhatsApp, WeChat, Telegram, and Messenger. Website with social plugin and layer, online chat support. For example, if you open the website of Shopee, there will be online chat support in there. The same goes with Cellcom website, Maxis website. Okay. So features of social media, we have user. When we have user, we need network to connect between user. So when there are user and also network have been provided, then we can build a community in the social media. When we have community, we can do interaction and communication. But this interaction and communication, to be good interaction and communication, the interaction and communication need to be transparent for each other. This is features of subnet. Okay, difficulties in digital extension service, creating awareness, encouraging stakeholder to access resource through social media link, skill to maintain social media interaction application. This is difficulty because as the application of social media is evolving, being upgraded, So also our skill need to be upgraded to maintain the social media interaction and application. So internet and IT infrastructure, yes, this is quarterly is being updated. So every 3 months, the technology will be updated or be upgraded to new one. So we have security issue, hacking, social, personal security. People tend to be somewhere else there other than they are saying on the online. Okay, this is security issue. People are not being themselves. Satisfying heterogeneous user. Heterogeneous is human, so we need to satisfy human needs. So as we all know, each human has different needs. So if we have 100 customer, we have 100 needs that we need to be satisfied. Measuring the effectiveness. When you are doing things on the social media, it is difficult to measure the effectiveness. So continuous engagement and future planning also a crucial thing to do, but it is difficult in terms of digital, yes. Okay, opportunities of digital extension service. First, forming networking interest group, organizations, state, national, and also global. Okay, this is opportunities. We can connect to people all around the world. Can act as medium for resource mobilization, technological and organizational, and also financial. Okay, few social media apps that are available without internet connectivity. Reaching one to many at one time. Yes, we can reach to more than people that come to the library. Maybe at one time can reach 100 to 200 people at one time. Reaching beyond geographical boundary, save time, budget, and manpower. Maximize the resource material usage. Okay. Impact and implication. Impact. Increasing statistic of people in rural and suburban area sharing information using social media application. Yes, nowadays we know people that living in rural area, almost 80% to 90% of them are using social media to interact with each other, either using Instagram or using WhatsApp itself. Increment of IT literate communities. Yes, people tend to be more IT literate. Information searching, research, teaching, and learning grow beyond boundaries. Information agency cater wide range of user. Emerging of information literate society. This one is reflect back to the first increment of IT literate community. Okay, emerging of information literate society. Reduce in numbers of patrons coming to information agency. Reduce in usage of printed material in information agency. Okay, implication. The reach for user at rural and suburban area will increase exponentially with the usage of appropriate social media application. For example, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, and etc. And then we will maximize the use of electronic resource in an information agency. For example, database, ebook. People will use them when they are not coming to the library. Meet the needs of today trends, globally digital. Yes, everything nowadays is digital. Reading newspaper, digital. Reading book, digital. Even we are having our Eid Mubarak Identity in digital world nowadays. Okay, less face-to-face interaction. Daily patrons coming to information agency will decrease. The usage of printed material will shrink. Reduce in budget. Networking, sharing idea and opinion. Even conducting research can ultimately help in career. Advancement of extension professional and they become competent to serve the clients better. Okay, for future planning, there is a need to create awareness among extension professionals and build their capacities to share more information via social media. Institutionalizing use of social media for sustained momentum and for better sharing and networking. Encouraging self-publication and collective collaboration. Yes, throughout online or social media or networking, we can encourage self-publication. We can get a team to do a research and to do a write-up to make a publication. Research on social media is still needed for information agency. This is important. We need to do a research as to know whether people acceptance or people perception towards social media in information agency is positive or negative. Okay, that's all for chapter 8, last chapter today. Do you have any question?
Sir,
Yeah.
apa ni yang dekat slide 8 tu, saya masih kurang faham lagi apa tu, satisfying heterogeneous user tu. Itu apa ya? Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous user tu bermaksud manusia, spesies manusia heterogeneous lah. Seperti yang kita tahu, kalau kata nak satisfy kehendak manusia ni macam hampa lah yang depan saya lah. Ada lebih kurang dalam 20-25 orang. 20-25 orang ada 20-25 punya